Head cam, picking up something. We're in Balch Springs, Texas. Nah, I got it this time. Not a big deal. Thanks, Jay.
The couch, microwave, TV, and some other stuff.
Okay. Let me get my other glove. House clean out, head cam, raw footage. This is a head cam, raw footage video. House clean out looks like, garage clean out, house clean out. Hey buddy, how's it going? Ricardo. Yes. Nice to meet you.
I think all this goes too, right?
Yeah, it's up to you. We just take it. You point at it, we take it.
It goes with the TV, so
Yeah, I guess so. Where do you want to put the couch? Truck? Everything else in the trailer? Got it. This too?
yeah.
Yo, Jay, you gotta go out the front door with that thing. That ain't coming out this way. You've been waiting for us all day? No. She said you were gonna be here. She said you were gonna be here.
I'm here all the time.
Oh, okay. You live here then?
Yeah.
Can I ask you a question, sir?
Huh?
Will you bring the police?
Do the police officers pull you over pretty bad out here? We keep on hearing rumors that Balch Springs is a really bad area.
I don't have a car, so I sold my truck.
Oh, okay. Guess you can't be pulled over walking. This too?
Yeah, that.
Dude, does this work, sir?
Yeah.
Stop asking the same question again.
Okay. Nice throw. Hello, how may I help you? Okay, hold on one second. I can't hear you that good. I'm sorry. Hold on one second. Go ahead. How may I help you, sir? About the hot tub? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You did. You did talk to me. I'm sorry. I'm actually doing a removal right now of a hot tub. Yep, we are. Okay, we do next day service, sir. So whenever you want it done, we do it. Let me, what city are you in? Okay. Okay. Okay, will you give me your address, sir? And how do you spell Manchaca? Zip code? Your name? Oh, Lynch. Okay. And your phone number, Mr. Lynch? Your phone number, 512? You got it. I'll send someone out there Thursday. What time, sir? Got it. 10 a.m. I will see you then. Thank you so much. Ricardo, sir, you're going to be serviced by Adrian. He's my business partner. He'll take care of you. Have a good one. Thank you, sir. That's it. You're done? The plant?
Yeah.
She said something about a plant.
Well, I guess go ahead and take it then.
I'm sorry. I don't need to take it if you don't want me to, but she did say something about a plant. I remember TV, a plant, and something, you know what I mean?
Let me ask her.
Yeah, ask her. I called her. She wouldn't answer me, so she'll probably answer her father, right? Ooh. I don't even know what I quoted her, to be honest with you. Let me ask her. I'll take her. Okay. She mentioned the plant.
It's probably that one right there.
Unless there's something outside. Jay, take that, bro. She did say a plant. Yeah, I mean, you would know if there's no other plants in this house. Yeah. Okay, I don't know, what did she estimate? What was the estimation price? Do you know? Jay, about how much is this? Jay, about how much? 150? 150, sir. 150?
To who?
Junk Guys.
Junk guys?
Yeah, yes, sir. We're done.
250 or 150?
150.
Today is what?
Jeez, I honestly don't know.
Today is the 20th. 8/20.
Whew. Boy, it is hot.
Yeah. 150?
150, yes, sir.
I'm gonna put a date because it's got 20 on
Okay.
there. 150?
Yes, sir. 150.
Junk guys?
Junk Guys. You want me to write it for you?
Yeah.
You want me to finish it for you and you just sign
Go
it?
ahead.
Okay, thank you. It's like the 19th or something. I'm not sure.
Today's the 20th. That's okay.
Yeah.
Doesn't make any difference what. Should know.
Thank you, sir.
Family my number and let me know what she said about the wash and dry. I can come back and get them. I know it's
Okay, let me, you have a number?
yeah, I can do that right now.
Oh, she's getting rid of that too, or what?
I don't know.
She put it in there.
Oh, okay.
I was just saying.
Just in case.
Yeah.
As you can see, we're getting rid of much everything. We got the house re-roofed and everything.
Are y'all selling it?
Yeah.
What do y'all think I can get for it?
I don't know.
I don't know either. I don't know this area at all. I used to be in real estate, but I don't know this area.
I used to live in town.
Oh, okay. How do you like it here?
I like it.
Slower.
Yeah.
A lot slower, right?
In a circle.
Yeah. But being in a circle, you get a bigger yard.
Yeah.
Everybody knows that, right? How big is yours?
Pretty good size.
Oh yeah, it goes.
Yeah. Plus over here is ours too. It goes all the way back to the road.
Oh shit.
Yeah. That's just an extra.
Oh shit.
Yeah, we put the dogs out there sometimes.
So where's this fence go?
It goes to the back of the field here.
But you have two fences.
Yeah.
Holy shit. The backyard's huge. Look. This is their yard. It goes through this fence all the way to the back. And then it reaches, connects to that.
Why y'all want to just knock that fence down?
Well, because we would put the dogs here somewhere. Yeah.
Well, thank you, sir. Appreciate the time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
That's my number, boss. Give me a holler. Let me know. I can come back today, tomorrow.
All right. Thank you.
Have a good one. That's easy. Dude, that was so easy. I think this camera ran for about 15 minutes. 150 bucks, not bad. $10 every minute. Over and out, garage clean out. Done. House clean out, whatever.